Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goals. So today here I'm again with another video to earn money from Brilliance Publishing. So this is a website where, as you can see from the screen itself, it is a publishing website where they have published a lot of books. A lot of authors are writing and contributing to this website. So there are so many great books. I think you can surf. I'll leave the link below in the description box. So if you want, you can just surf through this website. I have found a lot of really interesting books from this website, and now I'll be showing you how to earn money from this one. There are two ways if you want, you can be either an author if you want to earn money by just letting out your books in this website, like publishing it here. You will also be getting paid from that, or I have another way found. I recently discovered about this website in Amazon Jobs, so I'll be showing you how to apply there. In Amazon Jobs, they have been listing all the job requirements for their team, so I'll be showing you guys about those steps. So these are all the books that I have they have published it, and I personally love fiction novels a lot. So just tell me in the comments below, like, what type of genre books you love. And if you don't have it, just say hi. We'll just start connecting with each other. I will be really happy to help you out. So this is Amazon job website where they have posted for Brilliance Publishing. As of now, when I was looking at before recording this video, I was able to find about 2 to 3 jobs, but now I think those 2 jobs were being closed, and I'm just seeing this one. This is for production designer designation. So if you are into this, then you start applying for it. You can see the apply now button where you have to upload your resume, and good to go. So I will leave the link in the description box below, and before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now this is really easy, as you have seen. Just go to the Amazon job website and start applying. Once you have gone through their interviews, personal interviews, you will be get selected and you will start making money. This is just a small video on what I discovered recently, so don't mistake me guys, this is not in-depth video. I will be making an in-depth detailed video on Amazon job website alone, so make sure you stay tuned, and also follow us on Facebook. I will also be active there. So that's all about the video guys. Thank you for watching, and meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.